how to start a business while working a 9 to 5 in 2025 time-saving tips and solutions. Master the art of balancing your 9 to 5 job and building your dream business in 2025 with these smart, actionable strategies. Want to start your own business while still working your 9 to 5 job? In 2025, it is not about working harder, it is about working smarter. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to find time, stay consistent, and overcome the biggest challenges you will face. When juggling a full-time job and a side hustle, here is what you will learn. How to manage your time effectively using time blocking and weekend hustling. Ways to overcome mental exhaustion and stay energized for your business. Tips to eliminate distractions and create a focused workspace. How to build lasting habits and stay consistent even when life gets busy. Real-life examples, fun stories, and practical solutions to keep you inspired. Whether you are just starting out or already working on your side hustle, this video is packed with actionable advice and motivation to help you turn your business idea into reality in 2025. Imagine yourself standing in a home office with a cup of coffee, with upbeat music playing in the background instead of driving to your 9 to 5 job in the morning. Hey friends, let's be real. Working a 9 to 5 job can feel like it eats up your entire day, right? So how do people find time to build a business on the side? In 2025, with all the distractions and responsibilities, it can seem impossible, but it is not. I am here to show you exactly how you can squeeze time out of your busy schedule to start that business you have been dreaming of. Today, we will break down the common problems you will face and give you real solutions, plus some fun stories and tips along the way. Ready to learn how to hustle smarter, not harder? Let's go. Section 1. Problem number 1. Limited time. After work, imagine yourself sitting at a desk after work, looking tired. The problem, after a long day at work, you come home feeling drained. You want to work on your business, but you also need to cook dinner, relax, or spend time with family. It feels like there is no time left. The solution: one-time blocking. Millionaires and side hustlers alike swear by time blocking. It is about scheduling specific blocks of time for your tasks, whether it is working on your business, exercising, or unwinding. For example, take Alex, who works a corporate job from 9 to 5. He blocks out 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. every evening for his online business. During that time, he focuses solely on his side hustle, knowing that everything else can wait. Solution: to wake up earlier. Waking up an hour earlier can give you precious, uninterrupted time to work on your business before the day starts. Here is pro tip. Think of it like being part of a secret club while everyone else is snoozing. You are out there plotting world domination. Solution 3. Weekend hustle. Use weekends to get big chunks of work done. Saturday mornings can be golden for deep work. For example, Sarah, a full-time nurse, dedicates her Saturday mornings from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. to her baking business. She preps orders and works on marketing during this time. Your call to action if you want help creating a personalized time management plan. Check out my coaching program, where we dive deep into time optimization strategies. Section 2, problem number 2, mental exhaustion. Imagine yourself slouched on a couch, too tired to open your laptop. The problem: even if you find time, mental exhaustion can hold you back. After a day of meetings and deadlines, your brain feels fried. The solution: energy management. Focus on managing your energy, not just your time. Plan your most demanding tasks for when you have the most energy. For example, Rachel noticed she is more alert in the morning, so she started working on her business before her job instead of after. Solution: to short power sessions. If long work sessions feel impossible, try 20 to 30-minute power sessions. Set a timer, focus hard, and take a break. Here is a pro tip. Think of it like a sprint, not a marathon. You are Usain Bolt, not Forrest Gump. Solution 3. Active recovery. Instead of scrolling through social media during breaks, try activities that recharge your brain, like a quick walk or meditation. For example, Mike, a software engineer, takes a 10-minute walk after work. It clears his mind and gives him the energy boost he needs to work on his coding side project. Section 3, problem number 3, distractions everywhere. Imagine yourself trying to work while your phone keeps buzzing. The problem: distractions are everywhere. Your phone, social media, family interruptions. It is hard to stay focused. The solution 1. Create a dedicated workspace. Having a dedicated workspace signals to your brain that it is time to work. For example, Sarah converted a corner of her living room into her workspace. When she is there, she knows it is hustle time. Solution: to turn off notifications, put your phone on Do Not Disturb and use apps like Focus at Will or Forest to stay in the zone. Here is a pro tip. Think of your phone like a toddler. It demands constant attention. Sometimes, you just need to put it in timeout. Solution 3. Communicate boundaries. Let your family or roommates know when you are working. Set clear boundaries to minimize interruptions. For example, Alex tells his family that from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., he is in Do Not Disturb mode unless there is an emergency. Section 4, problem number 4, staying consistent. Imagine yourself working hard one day, then slacking off the next. The problem starting is easy. Sticking with it is the hard part. Life gets busy, motivation fades, and it is tempting to give up. The solution: build habits. Focus on building habits, not relying on motivation. Habits make consistency automatic. For example, Rachel started with just 10 minutes a day. Over time, it became a habit, and now she easily puts in an hour each evening. Solution to accountability partners. Find someone who can hold you accountable, a friend, mentor, or coach. Here is a pro tip. Think of it like having a gym buddy, but for your business. They will not let you skip leg day or hustle day. Solution 3. Track your progress. Tracking progress keeps you motivated. Celebrate small wins along the way. For example, Mike uses a simple spreadsheet to track his weekly goals. Seeing his progress keeps him motivated. Your call to action: need help staying consistent? Join my coaching program, where we create a plan and keep you accountable. Your call to action: imagine yourself smiling with upbeat music playing in the background. This can all be possible right now. Click on the link in the below to get started now. Text on screen with your website or contact info. So, if you are ready to create a business in 2025 while working your 9 to 5, remember, it is all about managing your time, energy, and focus. Start small, stay consistent, and do not be afraid to ask for help. My coaching program is designed to help you balance work, life, and your side hustle, so you can turn your dream into reality. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is ready to start their business journey. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.